First of all, I would like to mention about the poor people. We know very well that nowadays, if we want to purchase mobile, so there are two types of mobile. First, Android. Second is iPhone. So we can purchase any of them. If we want to purchase Android, so there we have to spend less money. So in less money, we can get Android mobile. Okay. And second, I want to mention about the Apple phone. If we want to purchase the Apple phone, iPhone, so we have to spend 1,50,000 rupees, which is very high, and poor people cannot afford. So this much money we have to spend for getting the iPhone. So second, as he was mentioning about the respect, that if I have iPhone, so my value will increase, and I will have more respect than the Android. So brother, it doesn't matter if I have an iPhone, so my respect will increase, and people give will, so my value will increase. It doesn't matter if we are getting better job, if we are getting higher job, and if we are doing something good for our country, for our country. So so there your knowledge, there your respect will increase and your value will increase. Okay. And second, I want to mention about the variety. In the iPhone there is no any variety, just there is iPhone 14, iPhone 15, like this there is. And if I talk about the Android, so there in the Android there are many varieties. You can purchase any of them, and better varieties are there, like take the example of Poco, Motorola, Samsung, Vivo, and a lot of phones are there which are better. That's all.
Okay. Hello everyone. My name is Muhammad Junaid Malik. Today we are doing debate here on a very amazing topic. Topic is about two phones. One is iPhone. Second is Android. Which one is better? So in my perception, iPhone is far better than Android because I have a lot of reasons. First of all, I would like to give answer to him. He is saying that there are so many people who cannot afford iPhone. So brother, it is not a fault of iPhone. There are so many brands like Rolls-Royce and Bugatti, and so many cars brands are there which people cannot afford. So it's not like that people cannot afford that thing, so that thing is bad. Definitely not. If people cannot afford, so they should do hard work, they should become hardworking person, so that they will earn a lot of money. After that they can purchase iPhone. It is not a fault of iPhone. Second thing, if I talk about iPhone, like he said that in iPhone 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 look is same. So brother, however, when iPhone 15 came, so this much people were buying iPhone, that stock of iPhone 15 it was finished. This much people were buying iPhone. See the craze of iPhone. I know that look is safe, however people are buying. It's called craze. It is brand. That's why people are buying, and that's why it has craze. And if